Same thing we can perform in process macro, same. So in a process macro, so I'm just performing same case study in a process macro, how to perform same in a process macro. So process macro, first of all, we go to analyze, and then the regression, and here you can use this process by Andrew F. Hayes. Okay, Andrew F. Hayes. I'm just pressing it, and after pressing it, salary, that is dependent variable. This software basically useful for moderation and mediation, and X independent variable gender. So I am transferring gender in independent variable, and moderator variable that is police. So moderator variable here, variable w. Okay, and then model number one I will select, because model number one for moderator variable, and moderator, and model number four, it is basically meant for mediation. So there are large number of models here. You can see in a 92 models, but I am taking very simple basic model to understand the concept of moderator variable. So I transferred all the three variable: dependent variable in y, independent variable in x, and moderator variable in moderator variable in y, and then okay. Now we can see the effect, whether the moderation effect means multiplication of 2 is significant or not. So this is the intersection effect. So this is my table. So in this table I can show you the results of all the three variables. So there are three conditions in a the dependent variable y, this dependent variable. I am showing you statistical diagram, and second moderator, and third multiplication of x and m. So these are the conditions. So in this first condition, when gender we take, so here the p value, the in this p value it is not significant, not significant, and the college, the p value again it is not significant, not significant, and interaction effect also not significant. So through this we can interpret the interaction effect, and this x into w, it is interaction effect, and its values greater than point 0.0, point 0.8, its value 0.850, which is greater than 0.05. So there is no interaction effect. Now second case study, I am taking the one variable, that is one variable independent variable continuous, and the other moderator variable categorical. Okay, so in this case study, the case study y, that is dependent variable, and x independent variable, and m moderator variable. So here dv, it is continuous. Continuous means salary, continuous variable, and iv, it is a continuous, means years, experiences in years, and moderator variable gender, that is categorical variable. So moderator variable categorical means nominal scale question, it's a gender. Okay, so here there are two types of situation. One is moderation, moderator variable influence the relationship between dependent and independent variable, and another condition may be this the moderator variable not influence the relationship or strength of the independent and dependent variable. So I'm taking, for this condition, I'm taking two case study. One, when we see the uh, no interaction of moderator variable on y, and second condition when we find the significant relationship of interaction effect. So statistically, how can we present the diagram? So this independent variable and the y and m and x m this. So the only difference is here. Earlier case we took independent variable categorical and moderator categorical. Second condition, I'm checking this independent variable continuous variable. So it's a continuous and it is same moderator variable category. Okay. So we want to find whether this B3 significant or not. So in this case study, it's not significant. And the next case study, we will find the significant result of interaction. Okay. So this is case study. So I am just performing the So we want to know whether the relationship between salary and gender significant or not. Okay. So how will we check it? Through independent t-test because we are comparing two means. So I am performing independent t-test, analyze and regression are linear. So salary dependent variable and gender independent. Sorry, I'm using independent t-test. Analyze, compare means and independent sample t-test. Salary dependent variable, gender independent variable, and there are two categories 0 and 1. And then continue, after continue we can see the result. So there is a significant result. The female teacher's salary 40.8 and male teacher 49.9. So here p value 0.01. So there is a significant impact. And then second condition. Uh, Second independent t-test. Now I am using the interaction term. Interaction term, or we can use the. But before interaction, we want to see the relationship between number of experience and salary. Here both the variable continuous because salary continuous variable, ratio scale and number of years also continuous. So we will apply here bivariate regression analysis whether y, that is dependent variable, independent variable. So there are two cases y and beta 0 plus b1 x1 plus this. It's a regression. Why am I using simple regression analysis? Because x1 and y both are continuous variable. So I will use simple regression analysis to find the impact of this independent variable on dependent variable. Okay. So how will I do it? So it's a simple regression. So go to analyze, then whether the number of experience or experience influence the salary or not. So there is a positive correlation. We know the as a person who has high experience, salary may be high. So the salary and independent variable also continuous. So descriptive and continue after continue. Okay. So salary, you can take the salary. The mean salary 46.26, but we will interpret our result from ANOVA table. Whether this independent variable significantly working or not. Yes, p value less than 0.05. It means number of experience as a person who has a good number of experience, salary will be high. So this p value, number of years, you can see here in the last row, years and p value less than 0.05, it is significantly contributing. Now we want to take the interaction effect salary and as well as the interaction effect of both gender and experience. So what will we do? So for this we will create the new variable, that is the interaction effect. So how will we create the new variable? It is very simple to create the new variable. So what will we do here? Transform and compute variable. I am writing the variable name interaction, and copy and type and label, paste, type and label and paste, and then continue. So I want to take the interaction of years and genders. So years and multiplication of gender. Now I can see the output. So this would be the, it's a interaction effect, the new call. Okay. Now we will simple use the multiple regression analysis to understand whether this interaction effect is working or not. Okay. So analyze, then regression, and the regression linear, and after linear salary dependent variable, and all the three variables means years, gender and interaction. I'm taking all the three variables here because my purpose to know whether the interaction effect is working or not. So salary, that is a dependent variable. I have taken here salary, and the first relationship with independent variable, the uh, the gender, and the sorry the years. Okay, number of years, and another variable, uh, gender, this, and interaction effect, multiplication of this and this. So I have created the new variable, the name interaction. So here we want to find whether this significant or not. If it is significant, p value less than 0.05, it means moderator variable, means gender is working. Okay. So how to check it? Through multiple regression analysis, and then statistics, descriptive, and continue. After continue, no need of plots, just simple. Okay. And after okay, we will get the results. Now interpretation of result. So here years, the number of years, it is significant, means the as your experience increases, salary also increase. The बीटा significant, और उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? बीटा की अनस्टैंडर्डाइज्ड वैल्यू 1.236, so it is significant. And the moderator variable, this, when I am taking individual relationship with moderator variable, it is not significant because the p value greater than this. And when I combine both x and m, whether this is significant or not? Yes, it is not significant, beta not significant, because p value greater than this. So we can interpret that moderator variable is not working. So same situation, same condition, means the when we have one independent variable continuous and categorical variable, uh, the categorical variable, the moderator variable categorical. तो इस केस स्टडी, सेकंड केस स्टडी में, थर्ड केस स्टडी में हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे कि